Meanwhile, an Encinitas student is suing the school district over alleged molestation by a school counselor there. While the Dieguito middle school counselor is now awaiting trial, attorneys for the alleged victim say the school did nothing to stop this from happening. Sarah Allegre has that story.
This is every parent's worst nightmare, is to have something like this happen to their child.
A North County community on edge following new claims surrounding an 8th grader who was allegedly molested by former Dieguito Middle School supervisor Omar Galeana. He was arrested back in March and pleaded not guilty to a dozen charges.
She not only was abused by a trusted adult in the school environment, but she's 12.
Attorney Morgan Stewart now speaking on behalf of the 12-year-old girl's family after filing suit last week against Galeana and the San Dieguito Union High School District, citing negligence. This 44-page complaint alleges Galeana sexually harassed and abused the 8th grader between February and April of this year.
You can't learn if you're not safe.
Kevin Sabelico went to school in the district and is now an active leader in the community. He says in his years with the district, an act like this is unheard of.
This incident is not a reflection of the amazing teachers who make up this school and this school district.
The suit goes on to claim the abuse happened on and off campus, and Galeana communicated often with the minor over text and social media.
We instill in our children, you have to provide respect. You have to follow their direction.
The family's attorneys allege Galeana would pick up the 12-year-old from her home, give her marijuana, and then demand sexual acts in order to return back to her house. It also says there were previous reports of inappropriate behavior made known to the district months before. In a statement, the district says while they can offer no comment, they can confirm that when allegations were brought to their attention in the spring, they took immediate action to remove him from employment and are working with law enforcement.
There's a good 3-month process where the school district knew something and left him in the school environment.
Galeana pleaded not guilty to a dozen charges, some of those including felony counts of forcible lewd acts on a child. Now, talking to attorneys representing this family, they say their case could go to trial as early as the end of this year or early on next year. For now, that's the very latest here from Encinitas. I'm Sarah Allegre. I'm sending it back to you.